Hello Christo Ananth channel members, viewers and subscribers. Very good day to you all. So I am really happy to meet you all once again. This time with a very genuine review about a Scopus index journal. It is Proceedings on Engineering Sciences. So you might be wondering why I am trying to choose this particular journal for this genuine review. Because very recently we can find researchers publishing research articles in this Scopus index journal. So we'll try to find out whether this journal is really indexed in the Scopus database, Web of Science database, ABDC journal list and UGC CARE Group 1 or maybe Group 2 list. We'll also try to find out its processing charges or maybe publication charges and the publication time it will take for our article to successfully publish in this website. It's a great news for management field people because they will find Scopus or maybe Web of Science index journals very hard to find. So without wasting much of our time, let us go straight into the genuine review of Proceedings on Engineering Sciences. So this is the journal we are talking about. The name of the journal is Proceedings on Engineering Sciences. We are searching in the Google and we are getting the search results. We have successfully verified that this is the particular journal website and there are no cloned or maybe fake websites for this particular journal. So there is Sci-Imago journal rank for this particular journal as well. Also we have other indexing databases discussing about this particular journal. As you can see that the publisher is University of Kragujevac. Okay, it is based on Serbia and they have given a ISSN number and online ISSN number. Please note that this journal is also for business, management and accounting people, especially with management information systems, and of course as the name implies, this journal is for industrial and manufacturing engineering and material sciences. So the publishing date was started around like 2019 and they are licensed under Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 international license. Please note that this journal has a site score of 0.5 and it belongs to Q4, quartile 4 kind of a journal. When we go through the scope of the journal, that this journal publishes articles related to automotive engineering, control and system engineering, electrical and electronics. So basically you see everything based on engineering sciences. Also we have mechanics of materials. Then comes safety, risk, reliability, quality, software engineering. Also with regards to the management, accounting and sciences. When we browse through the editorial board section, the editors in chief, the information has been given. Of course their affiliation details has been mentioned very clearly, but of course there is no email ID or maybe their ORCID details or maybe their ResearchGate profiles. Managing editor information has also been displayed, everybody based on Serbia, but we do not find their contact details. But if you go through the editorial board section, we can find affiliation details of each and everybody. The ORCID ID, Scopus profile, ResearchGate profile and Publon's profile. We can find that they have maintained an internationalism in the editorial board members. When we go through the indexing, that this journal has mentioned that it is indexed in the Scopus database. They have also given a link. Also we find other indexing databases like Index Copernicus, ResearchBib and other important platforms like Publons. When you go to the author guideline section, they have mentioned the paper should be normally between 5,000 till 7,000 words. Proper affiliation or maybe complete affiliation details and academic email ID if necessary can be included. So just like normal research paper like introduction, existing system, literature survey, proposed system, simulation results, conclusion, references, everything has to be mentioned clearly. Also like for the tables, they are not asking you to display as an image. It should be in editable format and references should follow the APA style. Please note that when you try to submit your paper, it's not an email ID submission. You have to submit it online and they have given one email ID. In case if you have any queries, then you can contact them. Other than that, please do not contact them via email ID. Please go for an online submission. They follow a double-blind peer review process, which means that the reviewers are not known to anybody. And if accepted, then definitely they will give the acceptance. Otherwise, they will give a minor revision for which you have to correct according to the comments. So this is the online submission system I was talking about. You can make a submission by creating an account in this particular link. Okay, so here you can edit the submission, you can upload the file, you can view the file. Maybe in rare cases, you can withdraw the submission even and you can check the status of your article, in which stage it has gone through. Please note that this PES journal, Proceedings on Engineering Sciences, has a very great advantage advantage of using Zotero Bib. It's a bibliography tool. You can search for any particular references by typing in the URL. So here you can see, you can type it and you can cite that particular article. When we browse through the current issue, volume 5, issue number 3, year 2023, you can find almost like 20 articles. Of course, they have maintained some internationalism in the articles, and they also have a DOI number. Even when you go to the archive section, you can find the same thing. So you can see, okay, 20 articles. This is very, very good. So if you try to maintain like this, then definitely there are more chances that this journal will continue in the Scopus indexing database. When you go to the contact info or maybe contact address, they have given a proper affiliation details with pin code. Email address has also been given with regards to contact. So definitely this journal is found to be very genuine. So what we'll do, we'll go for Sci-Imago journal rank. So please do not type proceedings on engineering sciences. You will end up with so many search results. So what you do, you search via the ISSN number. So when you search via the ISSN number of this journal, you will be getting this one, Proceedings on Engineering Sciences. So the country is Serbia. As I told you, these are the subject categories. So business, management, accounting people also can publish them. And publisher name has been mentioned. H index is 4 and ISSN number. So this is the ISSN number, and using this ISSN number, you can search for this journal. So down you can see the coverage 2019 till 2022. You need not have to worry because Sci-Imago JR only publishes 1 year before. So nothing to worry. And you can see the quartile that this journal comes under Q4 quartile for all the subject categories. And down you can see the 2 year, 4 year, 5 year statistics even. Down you can see there are no comments, which means that this journal is found to be very genuine, or nobody has any clarifications with regards to this particular journal. So Sci-Imago JR has come out with a very crystal clear information. But anyway, we will check with the Scopus. So here you can go for scopus.com, click on sources, and here make sure the title is selected and you type Proceedings on Engineering Sciences. And you click on find sources. So down you can see Proceedings on Engineering Sciences. This is the journal we are talking about. Cite score is 0.5. Percentage cited is 29. We can go through this one. So it shows the Scopus coverage years from 2019 till present, and the same subject categories has been mentioned. Source type is a journal. Okay, here we have source homepage. We can click on this one just to cross verify the journal name. So of course we have got the same journal name. Okay, so this is the journal we are talking about. So in the Scopus content coverage, you can find 2023 around like 73 documents we can find. Okay, so here you can see 43, 48, 53, 73. Okay, it was okay kind of a journal. Okay, you can publish your research articles, and I believe that this journal will remain in the Scopus indexing database. When you go to MJL masterjournalist.clarivate.com, it's a Web of Science indexing database. Okay, so here we search for Proceedings on Engineering Sciences, but unfortunately we are not getting the relevant search result here. We also tried to search via ISSN number, but we didn't get it. So this journal is not indexed in the Web of Science database. We also try to search the ISSN number in the ABDC, Australian Business Deans Council journal list, but when we click on or maybe press enter, we are not getting the search results. There are no journals that match these parameters. So which means that this journal is not indexed in the ABDC journal list. But when we go to UGC Care journal list, we need not have to search for group 1 or group 2. Here they have clearly mentioned if the journal falls under Scopus source list, then definitely it falls under UGC Care list group 2. Well, about this journal, all the details mentioned in the website has been crystal clear. Within one particular issue, we can find 20 number of articles, and we see 73 documents already indexed in the Scopus database as far as 2023 is concerned, which is a very decent number. We believe that this journal will still continue in the Scopus indexing. And this journal is indexed in the Scopus database. We can find the information in Sci-Imago journal rank. This journal is not indexed in the master journal list or maybe Web of Science database, not indexed in the ABDC journal list, but it comes under group 2 of the UGC Care list. About the processing charges, we couldn't find much of the information elsewhere in the Google, but when we try to contact the agents or maybe the associations or maybe backdoor, they are charging an amount of 52,000 in Indian rupees or approximately 650 in US dollars. and they take at most like 2 months for publication in this particular journal if you try to maintain the quality with the plagiarism report of lesser than 10%. So that's it about this journal. So the management, accounting, economics and engineering people will find this a greater opportunity to publish in this journal. So I believe you would have found this review much more useful. If you have any clarifications, questions, queries, please share them in the comment section. And of course, if you have to have a very genuine review of a Scopus or maybe Web of Science, SCI, ISI, UGC Care or maybe ABDC journalist, please share them in the comment section. So see you then in another interesting, yet another genuine review. Till then, collaboration is everything.